Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing a screen replacement on this 2012 Cadillac. Now this is not your typical install here on the channel. We're not really doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to replace the screen, because essentially here all we're doing is replacing the touchscreen itself with another OEM screen. We're not replacing the actual radio. If you want a step-by-step on what we're going to do here, the manufacturer that makes this screen actually has a great video series that we'll link down in the description. What we're going to do today is replace the screen that is no longer responsive and has erratic touch, and enjoy. Let's get started. Now the company that we're going with is Q Screens. Again, we'll throw all their information down in the description in case you want to check them out for yourself if you want to do the same install. Again, they have great videos on how to do it step by step. So they've shown you exactly how to do it. We're just following their steps and replacing the screen today. Okay, so it's all reinstalled. Let's do one more final test here. Cool thing about this new kit, it makes the screen a heck of a lot sharper than the factory one ever was. It's all working great. This is awesome. Well, that's about it for this just quick video here today. If you have any questions on what we did here, like I said, we'll link all the parts and tutorial videos from this company that we used here today. It'll be down in the description. Thanks again guys for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.